So we're gonna first initialize the the game window name as our variable in here, just to save it. Why not? And then we're gonna grab the handle to the game. You can have this in a while loop and constantly check if the game actually is there or open. I'm not gonna for this. That's all up to you. Actually, probably should include a deconstructor so that we don't have an open handle by the end of it, just to clean up. Okay, so we have that. All that's left is grabbing the handle. Fun process. So we start off by declaring the process identifier. And then we want to, well, actually we have to declare a few things. So hwind to the game window. That's going to be the, handle to the game window. The process identifier, and then the handle itself is a member variable that we have in the class. So we start off by doing game window equals find window a. You don't really have to do this if you set your project settings to multi-byte. I just do it because I can. So the window name, that's going to be game.cster, and oh, my bad, because it's a member. I'm not going to be doing any error checking here. That's up to you. You should do it. Always check for errors, just in case. That's definitely defined here. Oh, my bad. Okay. And then we do get window thread process ID. The first parameter is the window handle, and the second is the process identifier, which will actually receive the value of the process identifier for the window. And the last thing that we have to do is mHandle equals open process all access, so we can read and write to it, false, and the process identifier. We're just going to return true here because I didn't do any error checking, so it's always going to be true, despite the fact that this may go bad, this may go bad, this may go bad. It's up to you to fix that. Yep. Now we can include the wizard class in here. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Wizard, whiz. And we're going to declare assault cube. That's the base. That's the health offset, that's the armor offset. We're just going to do this and this so that they work with the class. Okay. So, int health, integer armor, get rid of that, rid of these. Just put this down here. We're going to start off by reading the health and the armor values. So, wiz dot read pointer. We've got one offset, and this is the health offset. The base is p base, pointer base, and the variable is health. Then wiz dot read pointer 1 armor offset p base armor. You also probably want to include the type that you're going to be reading, otherwise it'll probably throw errors when you try to compile. And then pretty much the same process for writing. Wiz write pointer int 1 health offset p base and new value. We'll just copy and paste this because it's easier. Armor offset. Boom. Probably have it. Okay, I've started a salt cube, and I think we're ready to test this out. So let's compile, which is going to take a while because currently I'm recording. That really slows down my computer. Okay, so it's throwing off errors. Let's figure this out. Error, number of offsets, undeclared identifier. Let's go to the file. Oh, looks like I made a slight mistake there. Put that there. Put that there. And hopefully it'll compile this time. It's always something we want. Boom! It works. Okay. Well, we don't fully know it works yet. Let's try this out. Numpad 1. Your health is 100 and your armor is 0. Now they're both 1337, and it works. A very simple memory class. You can keep adding on to it. You can make maybe this return the value, the reads return the value. You can probably add some more different grab handles so that you can return the handle in case that's all you want the class for. Could probably clean this up, add some comments, and that's about it. That's pretty much it for the this part of the memory class. We'll probably go on to make it to where you can change byte values and functions and stuff, probably add some different functions, fun stuff. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.